Hi, welcome to Fire Engineering's Training Minutes, sponsored by Globe Turnout Gear. I'm Nick Martin, and today we're going to talk about some deployment options for standpipe-based evolutions. There are a variety of different standpipe rack hose load configurations out there, each with their own distinct advantages and disadvantages. Today we're going to talk about a specific style of standpipe rack for 1 3/4 hose and some of the advantages that it offers us. The style of rack that we're using, Curtis has on his shoulder here, is 100 feet of 1 3/4 line. We already have with it an appropriate nozzle and a reducer assembly to connect to our 2.5 standpipe outlet. Some departments will also attach a small bag with it that carries some standpipe related accessories, and we simply have it secured with 3 seatbelt style assemblies. The advantage of this style of line is it's going to allow us to hook up and charge our line and have water immediately available at the pipe without having to worry about flaking out the line. When all possible, it's ideal to be able to hook up the floor below or at a distance from your fire, but in some areas where you might have a wall outlet in the middle of the hallway or a 1-story big box style store with a standpipe system, or when you've made an error in guessing where the fire is located, you may need to have water available to fight fire now. And this line is well suited for that style evolution. To deploy this line here, we already have our standpipe system charged to the appropriate pressure. We've removed the cap and the system is flushed and we're ready to hook up. So let's see how this works, and Curtis is going to demonstrate it for us. We place our assembly down in the area of the standpipe, and Curtis is simply going to release our 3 straps. Taking a loop of hose with the reducer assembly on it, we'll make our connection onto the standpipe. And now we can go down and we're going to go to the middle of our assembly where the pipe is and just spread it out into a loop. We place the pipe to the outside, and what this is going to do is create, when it's charged, a series of loops that is going to flake out of the top effortlessly. So that's why it's important that we place the pipe out into the side. So now that our line is flaked out, we're ready to charge our line. As our line is charged, you'll see that it's going to expand into a series of loops, and it's going to have very minimal to low kinking at all, and that's going to allow us to have constant and immediate flow with the nozzle. We now have 100 feet of hose that's been charged in a very tight space. And for the purposes of our video here, this is going to be our hallway where we need to fight fire. Curtis is going to open our door, chalk our door in the open position, and we'll see here that we have full flow immediately, and now we're able to freely advance. Curtis is able to push down the hallway, and without me even touching it, we see that the line will automatically pull itself out of the top of its series of loops, maintaining minimal kinks and allowing for free and easy deployment even by one firefighter. So to wrap it up, what we see here is that we have an option for deploying an 1 3/4 based standpipe rack with minimal manpower. Many departments these days have to operate with minimal manpower, and this is certainly an option for us. There are many varieties of different standpipe racks out there, each with its own advantage and disadvantage. It's important that each department select the best equipment and setup for their area based on the manpower we expect to have available and based on the size up of the type of buildings that we have. This style of standpipe rack is also easily used to extend a pre-connect or a bed stretch style line when we realize that we might have come up short and we need to stretch the line further. Thanks for watching Fire Engineering's Training Minutes, and thanks to our sponsors, Globe Turnout Gear.